Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about React hooks. Hooks were introduced in 16.8 React version and it brought a number of React features with it. It made the code look simple and easy to understand. People shifted from the class components to functional components. There are many types of hooks like useState, useContext, useEffect, useRef, useMemo, etc. You can even create your own hooks. Hooks will generally have this use word attached with them. Before we learn about the various types of hooks, there are some rules that must be followed. First, hooks should be called at the top level and you shouldn't use them in loops, conditions or nested functions. Second, always call hooks from a React functional component. In the next series of video, I will be covering the frequently used hooks in detail. Keep following to learn more. Thank you and follow my channel.